In this assignment, you will learn the AutoSum function, the AutoFill feature, the AutoCalculate feature, using formulas, displaying formulas, specifying decimal places, understanding formula errors. In this assignment, you will learn about the Insert tab, groups in the Insert tab, the Insert tab. The Insert tab is the next tab in Microsoft Excel 2010. This tab has a lot of useful features that enable you to insert things like pictures, graphics, charts, and many other items. Let us review a few of these features in this exciting new tab. First, let's see which groups are contained in this tab. Tables. The options in this group enable you to insert tables and pivot tables in your worksheet. Illustrations. These commands enable you to insert various types of pictures, shapes, and graphics. Charts. These commands enable you to insert various types of charts. Sparklines. These commands enable you to insert sparklines, which are small cell-sized charts. Filter. This group allows you to insert slicers, which are visual controls that allow you to quickly filter your data in an interactive way. Links. This group allows you to create hyperlinks. Text. These commands enable you to present your text in different ways and insert headers, footers, and embedded objects. Symbols. In this assignment, you will learn inserting pictures, enhancing pictures. Picture. The picture icon is used to insert a picture in your worksheet. Let us insert a picture of the school logo in our main worksheet. Click in the cell next to the name of the school. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click Picture. In the Insert Picture window, browse to the required picture and click Insert. Size the picture as required by using the sizing handles. Place your pointer on the picture and drag to position it suitably. Enhancing pictures. When you insert a picture or select an already inserted picture in a worksheet, a new Format tab appears under the heading Picture Tools. This tab contains various tools you can use to modify the appearance of your picture. For example, you could choose to color the picture differently, apply artistic effects, or apply a picture style. Try exploring the various options yourself. In this assignment, you will learn types of sparklines, creating sparklines, modifying sparklines. What are sparklines? New in Microsoft Excel 2010, a sparkline is a tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Sparklines help in visualization of data trends and bring meaning and context to numbers being reported. You can quickly see the relationship between a sparkline and its underlying data. And when your data changes, you can see the change in the sparkline immediately. Unlike regular charts in an Excel worksheet, sparklines are not objects. A sparkline is actually a tiny chart in the background of a cell. You can enter text in a cell and use a sparkline as its background. On the Insert tab in the Sparklines group, you can see that there are three types of sparklines: line, column, and win/loss. Column sparklines. The column icon in the Sparklines group of the Insert tab is used to insert column sparklines. These are miniature column charts. Column charts make it easy to see the differences in the data being compared. Win-loss sparklines. The win-loss icon in the Sparklines group of the Insert tab is used to insert win or loss sparklines. A win-loss sparkline is similar to a column chart. In this type of sparkline, negative values are displayed below the axis. This is usually used in the sports field to indicate the wins and losses of a team. The data used for creation of such sparklines is normally -1 for a loss and +1 for a win. Line sparklines. The line icon is used to insert line sparklines. We shall create line sparklines to show the variations in the subject-wise marks for each of the students. Select the cells C10 to H29. On the Insert tab, in the Sparklines group, select Line. In the Create Sparklines window, you can see the selected cells displayed in the Data Range box. In the Location Range box, we need to specify where we want to place the sparklines. Drag your mouse over cells L10 to L29. The Create Sparklines window becomes smaller and the range over which you are dragging is displayed in it. Once you release the mouse button, the window reverts to its original size. Click OK. Here you are. Your sparklines are ready. You can easily see the trends regarding whether the marks are increasing or decreasing. Modifying sparklines. Let's make some changes to the sparklines. If you want to make the sparklines larger, simply increase the row heights. Click any sparkline cell to display the Contextual Design tab under the heading Sparkline Tools. This tab contains various tools to modify the sparklines. In the Show group, you may click the different boxes to highlight the high point, low point, first point, and last point. Click Markers to highlight all points. Sparkline styles. In the Style group, select a style to make the sparkline more colorful. In the Type group, you may click Column to change the sparklines to miniature column charts. So you can see that sparklines offer a completely different approach to visualizing data. To delete sparklines, select them and on the Design tab in the Group, click Clear. In this assignment, you will learn using text boxes, inserting headers and footers. The text box icon is used to insert text boxes in your workbook. Text boxes give you control over the position of a block of text in your worksheet. You can place text boxes anywhere in the worksheet and format them as required. Let us create a text box to display the school slogan. On the Insert tab, in the text group, click Text Box. Drag with the mouse and draw the text box at the top left corner of the worksheet near the school name and logo. Enter the slogan using suitable fonts. To color the background, on the Contextual Format tab, select a suitable shape style. Headers and footers. You may insert headers and footers on the pages of your worksheet. They give additional information about the data on the page. The text that appears in the top margin of the page is called the header. The header is usually the title you would give to the page. The text that appears in the bottom margin of the page is called the footer. The page number is usually given as the footer. The header and footer will be displayed on all pages of the current worksheet. They prove very useful when you print your worksheet. Header and footer. The header and footer icon is used to insert headers and footers on the pages of a worksheet. Let us insert a header and footer on the first sheet of our workbook. On the Insert tab, in the text group, select Header and Footer. A box is displayed at the center of the header area. Here, you may enter the header text, say, First Term Exam Report. Press Enter and type Class 8B on the second line. Now press the Tab key. This displays another box to the right. On the Contextual Design tab, in the Header and Footer Elements group, click Current Date. This will insert the date. Now click Go to Footer in the Navigation group. We shall insert the page number in the box displayed. For this, in the Header and Footer Elements group, click Page Number. Press Tab and then press the Escape key to complete creation of the footer. If you want the same header and footer on multiple worksheets in the workbook, select the sheet tabs and then define the header and footer. Overview. Friends, we have learned the key features and commands of the very useful Insert tab. You may explore the various other options on your own. There are some other important Excel features available on the other tabs that you need to learn. So, let's move to the next lab and continue our journey of learning Excel.